Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. I'm down here in Flat Rock at Crest Ford, and I'm making a key. I've made a key for the 2017 Ford Explorer. Weird, it's a key blade key. Already checked to make sure the key works. Here's the key right here. So obviously we can't start the car with it until we program it. It won't start. So we're gonna use the Autel today, and we're gonna program this 2017 Ford Explorer. So we go into our Autel. This is an IM508. We go into the MO, turn the ignition on, accept the disclaimer. We're going to auto detect this, so see if we connect to the computer right away. It should show us it's a Ford. Alright, it's a Ford, and it's USA Ford, so we'll go into there, and then it gives us the VIN number. We're going to just okay that and not check the VIN. Okay, it's a blade key. Yes, it's a 16 or 17. It's a 2017. We're into hot function. It's a bad glare on there. We're going to add a key. It's all keys lost, but we're going to add a key, or we have to do two. We're only going to do one. We're going to add a key guided. Hit start. Factory alarm's not going off. Okay. It's normal for the instrument panel to turn dark. Insert the key to be learned in the ignition and turn the key on. Okay. Now it's going through its functions. Everything says, it says it takes about 3 to 10 minutes. My guess is it'll be closer to 3, not 10. But with these Fords, you never know. So I'm going to pause it and we'll come back. Alright, we're back. It's gone through the security protocol, so it tells us there's 2 keys learned. Okay. We're going to turn the ignition off like it tells us to. We're going to hit OK. Insert the key to be learned. Okay. We're going to turn the ignition back on. We're going to do that. It's learning the key. Door's just locked. Now there's 3 keys on the system. Learning is successful. Right now we're good. I'm gonna pause this and find out if they want 2 keys or just 1, because this one right here is at the dealership. Sometimes they want 2. But I'll find out if they want 2 keys. I'll cut another key and be back. Okay, so I've already programmed both of them. I just stuck the other one in after the first one. Got 2 keys programmed, and now we're going to test them to see if they work, because we didn't test them yet. So here's key number 1. It's working good. Okay. Check the buttons. Works good. Here's key number 2. And then we're going to check the ignition. Alright, this one's working. Everything seems to be working and functioning perfect. 2 new keys with my Autel IM508, and this is for a Ford Explorer 2017. No anti-theft light, no nothing. The doors were locked when I got here.